Let's say you want to send a broadcast campaign to customers who abandoned their cart. Until now, you open contacts, clicked on the filter, you set the conditions, opted in, and blocked as no. Tag has abandoned cart. You get your audience and you send the broadcast. Simple, right? But what if next week you want to send another campaign to that same audience? And for that, you do the same thing again. Same filter logic, same audience rebuilding every time for every single campaign from scratch. But not anymore, because we have added segments inside AiSensy. Segments are simply a saved audience filter that you build once, name it according to what the audience is, and reuse it whenever you want to broadcast a campaign. Let's say you want to broadcast to customers who abandoned their cart. Here's exactly how you do it with AiSensy Segments. Log in into AiSensy, go to the Contacts section. Here you will find Segments. Click on it. Right now it's empty because we haven't created any yet, so let's create one. Go back to Contacts, click on Filter. By default, you will see two conditions already applied. Opted in is yes and blocked is no. This is there for your safety. It makes sure you are only broadcasting to customers who have actually opted in and haven't blocked you. So you are not wasting your effort, and also it helps you maintain a healthy ecosystem on your WhatsApp. Now click on Add Filter, choose tags. Let's say we have tagged our abandoned cart customers as ABC. Select that, click Done. Now click Apply Filter. You will see the complete list of everyone who has been tagged as an abandoned cart. Now the important thing is click on Save as Segment, because we are going to reuse this exact audience again and again. A pop-up appears to give it a name. Let's call it ABC Audience, and then click Save. Your segment is now created. Next time you need this audience, just come back to Contacts, click Segments, and you will find it right here. And the best part, segments are completely dynamic. You have to set it once, and every time a new contacts get added with the tag ABC, they automatically get added to the segment. You will also see the contact count, like how many contacts are there inside the segment and the date it was created. Click on the segment to see the full list, select all, and click on Broadcast to send it. Sending the broadcast works exactly like it always has. Now, a few more things that you can do. Click the three dots, click Edit Filters, click Add Filter Group. Let's say we want to narrow this down further and add cities Delhi. And that adds another layer to your segment, completely customizable anytime you need. But remember, after clicking Apply Filter, you still need to click the Save as Segment, where you will get a pop-up with two options. Save changes to existing segment. This updates the segment you already have, or create a new segment that saves it as a brand new one. And you can name it right there. Choose whichever option you need and click Save. Now let's discuss few examples where you can use AiSensy Segments. For e-commerce, you can save a segment for abandoned carts. Every customer who leaves without buying gets an abandoned cart tag and gets added automatically into this segment. For EdTech, you can save a segment for students who have joined a webinar, so every new joinee gets automatically added. For real estate, you can save a segment for leads interested in a specific city, say Gurgaon. Those new leads gets added automatically into it. And that's all about AiSensy Segments.